Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to DUOQIN F22 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of DUOQIN. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then you need to hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!